Hey, do you camp, tailgate, handyman, hunt, work in the field, or have buddies with no tools? Then you may have just found a mobile working solution for your active lifestyle. The Yost RHV receiver-hitch vise. We all know having a hardy, reliable bench vise is a must-have for any shop or garage. It's that ultimate extra set of hands that never gets tired and doesn't lose grip strength. But you haven't been able to take them on the road. This makes certain projects difficult or impossible when working out in the field. That's why we have taken all the comforts of home and made it mobile. Let's start from the ground up on this one. This vise mounts in a standard 2-inch receiver and comes with an included 5/8-inch pin, so you won't need to get an adapter or steal the pin off your trailer ball. It's an all-in-one package. It even features an adjustable set of set screws so you can make it nice and snug in that receiver. This means you can make it as secure as your bench vise mounted at home with no wiggle. Speaking of bench mounted vices, if you do want this to pull double duty, it can. The RHV features a slotted base for mounting to any other bench top if the need arises. So if you need a vise at home or on the go, it's got you covered. Moving upward, this features 3 total sets of jaws, 2 different sized permanent serrated pipe jaws, and 6-inch replaceable serrated straight jaws. So whether you're clamping a 2x4, chainsaw, or tubing, you have the perfect tool to get the job done. And if those straight jaws get worn out from using and abusing them, they're easily swapped out with fresh ones, with the 2 screws on each side. As far as capacity, this vise can open to 5.81 inches and has a throat depth of 4.96 inches. That means it's going to be able to clamp down on nearly everything you would use your home vise for on the go. Finally, up top, we've included a large flat anvil so you can beat anything that needs some persuasion into its proper place. That way, when you're out in the field, you won't need to find a bench or beat on your bumper and tailgate, damaging your truck. This is all backed by 60,000 PSI ductile iron construction, so you can trust that the RHV 6-inch receiver vise is up to anything you can throw at it. Yost has been making vices since 1908, and this vise is the culmination of over a century of R&D to provide you with one of the best vices they've ever offered. Not to mention, it's backed by a 1-year warranty from us, so you can rest easy knowing we've got you covered. We've got a ton of vise offerings for every size, application, and budget. So to learn more about this line or any of our other products, head over to eastwood.com.